Nature holds the secret to timeless beauty, the wisdom of ancient herbs captured for your skin. Introducing Stay Young, a handcrafted soap with the power of Ganoderma and Moringa. Feel its rich, natural lather, gently cleanse and nourish for skin that glows from within. Experience the transformation. Say goodbye to dullness and hello to a youthful, radiant complexion. Join thousands who are embracing their natural glow with 100% herbal, chemical-free care. Ready to start your journey? Scan to shop and use code FIRST50 for 50% off first order.